McKinsey Technologies brings you another video in our wire integrity testing series. This video introduces our new addition to our wire integrity testing line of products. Our new technology is made especially for the telecommunications industry. Here we have our transmitter and our detector. We have a breakout box that we use to connect our Cat5 cable to, and we've opened a wire in this cable to demonstrate how accurately and easily you can locate where the open is. Basically what we do, very simply, is we pick the wire that we already know is broken. If you don't know it, you can find it very easily. But for this purpose, to make it simple and easy, we'll show you. We'll take our two leads from our transmitter and put them to two pins on this wire. Move this out of the way. We'll take our detector, and we have a sensitivity setting right here. We'll turn it all the way up, and we'll notice that we have a little bit of a signal there. And as we move down the wire, our signal increases. We can get a little closer to see. Here we have a very strong signal, and as we go back, we lose that signal. And what this tells us is that there's an open somewhere between here and here. Now the reason we picked this distance right here is where the open is. We'll take a look at, we've opened up the orange wire in this, basically just cut it. And the reason we chose this location, there's no signal there, detected signal, yet there's a signal on the other side of it, of the open wire. Now the reason we've picked this location is because it's 18 inches from the beginning of the wire. All other wire tracing or fault finding technology available in the market right now has basically the time domain reflectometry has a plus or minus 2 feet limit on it, which means you can't locate a wire fault closer than 2 feet from the end of the wire. Here, this is 18 inches from the end of the wire, and you can see quite easily, you can find out where that's open. You have no signal detected, then you have a signal after the open. Now, if that's with just one wire open, but what if the whole cable is chewed in half? As we go down, we still have our signal. 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 Now our signal starts to go away and is basically gone. And we can find out that right in this area where it starts to lessen with a number of LEDs lit, that our cabling is cut and non-existent. And this shows you where that happens. So if your cable is completely gone, you can also find that. If just one wire is open, you can easily, quickly locate that. Here again is where the open is. Pretty simple, pretty easy. This is designed specifically for the telecommunications industry. That's the demo. Oh yes, one other little thing. What if you're behind a wall and can't easily get to the wire? Well, not a problem, because we can also locate the wire. We know where we're on the wire, where we're not on the wire. We can trace the wire to where it breaks, to where the fault is. we got our signal down here. We've moved closer. And there goes our signal. Right around here. Right there. And that happens to be where the break is. So it doesn't make any difference whether you have access to the wire or don't have access to the cable. If it's behind an obstruction, you can still locate it easily through obstructions, making finding that fault much easier. That's it. Enjoy.